Beautiful birds, around the world. This cute robin is just relaxing in her nest. This cool-looking and very large bird is called an ostrich. Here we see a yellow-billed kite sitting on a branch. I bet these three wattled cranes are best friends. This cool-looking bird is called a Dalmatian pelican. Here we see some beautiful seagulls flying in the clear blue sky. These awesome-looking birds are called scarlet ibis birds. Let's be quiet. I think this magpie is watching us. These house sparrows are having a meal. These cute hummingbird chicks are safely in their nest. Here we see white geese just hanging out and waddling around. You can tell these flamingos love wading in the water. This beautiful bird is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. I think this bald eagle is looking out for its next meal. This super cool, beautiful bird is a parrot. The Canada jay has many nicknames like Gray Jay, Camp Robber, and Whiskey Jack. Here we see a yellow-throated toucan eating some berries. I think this cute penguin likes us. These ducks are called common eider ducks, or also called St. Cuthbert's ducks. These red-billed oxpeckers are riding on the back of an African buffalo. This cute bird is known as the Barbary dove, but is also called ringed turtle dove and the ringneck dove.